Back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of online security and privacy. With digital threats growing every day, protecting your internet activity has never been more important. While many VPNs claim to secure your data, only a few deliver real, customizable protection. That's where Dark Tunnel VPN shines. It provides advanced features and a powerful configuration system to keep you secure online. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to download and set up a slow DNS config on Dark Tunnel VPN. This setup will enhance your online privacy while giving you a safer and more reliable connection. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Let's start by downloading the slow DNS config file. Open any browser on your phone. In the search bar, type UDP and slow DNS files and hit search. From the results, select the official UDP and slow DNS files website. Once on the homepage, tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon, at the top left. From the menu, select Slow DNS Config. In the pop-up window, choose Dark Tunnel Slow DNS. A 10-second countdown will appear. After it ends, tap the download button. On the next page, select the latest config and tap Download again. The file will be saved to your device within seconds. Now that you have the config file, let's get the Dark Tunnel VPN app. Go to the Google Play Store. Type Dark Tunnel VPN in the search bar. Tap on the app and hit Install. Once installed, open the app and get ready for the final step. Let's now import the slow DNS config into the app. Open Dark Tunnel VPN. Tap the three-dot menu at the top right. Select Config, then tap Import. Use the File Manager to find and select the downloaded slow DNS config file. Once selected, the app will import the configuration, and that's it. Your VPN is now set up and ready to use with secure, slow DNS settings. Congratulations! You've successfully installed and configured Dark Tunnel VPN with a slow DNS file. This will protect your internet connection and improve your online privacy. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful content, and share this with someone who wants a safer internet experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.